I throw this at you, it's going to hurt.
It's a bit like Snowman Jenga at the moment.
It's really big, Matt.
Yeah. It is.
What's it going to be?
It's going to be trouble.
I found you a bit
Matt, you're not going to do that.
You know what he's thinking, don't you, Claire?
You think you
You can't be destroyed. You can't be destroyed. It's half the garden here. I'll go this way.
I think it's enjoying our summer in a peaceful way. No! Come in, come in, yes, we don't like it. Hey! Get off. Get details on it,
That spoiled the camera shot then when I moved